And Diwali day, the crowd came and ransacked the Big Bazaar, and this man was laughing. So that particular day, we thought about starting the Goli Vada Pav. I said, enough of our dreams, let's do this food dream at last. So everything was going beautiful for us. We had the best clients, we were making huge money. Again, as you say, an entrepreneur is always got that kid up. He said, we gave her a tie, blazer, laptop, went to Kalyan in a jeans and t-shirt, where nobody knew, changed our mobile number. So the invitation from corporate world wouldn't be attractive. One store in Kalyan we started, red and white tiles, uniform boys. One small shed missing 200 square feet store. And as we started the first store, somehow it was exactly red and white tiles, uniform boys, photographs of vada samosa, but no air condition. It was only 200 square feet, and the people used to stand on the footpath and eat our vada pav. The moment the lights were put, we luckily thought that lights should attract people, like bees. Instead of a small bulb, we put a big halogen lamp, 1500 rupees. First day the crowd came, and the municipality came and asked us to close the store. Because there was a huge traffic jam on that particular area, and it was like a dream come true. We never expected it to happen so fast. As an entrepreneur, you have this dream ki hona chahiye, you are passionate about it. But suddenly we saw the impact, and we were all waiting for 1 month tile well laga ke, first din stores aa gaya, and whatever we had prepared got sold in just 2 hours time. So the next day we went back and said, increase production, let's make it big. Within a week I find some 300 inquiries for franchisees have come, and we still are not ready with the franchising model. In 1990, I worked with a company called Apple, which did franchising in a very big way in India. Suddenly I had a Xerox copy those days of a Aptech franchising which I had removed from the thing, went back, what was the franchisee terms and conditions, drafted a franchisee agreement, overnight with a lawyer who stands outside Kalyan station, he typed on this thing, and the first franchisee we gave a term sheet and started. Took out the entire premises, and within a year we had some 10-12 stores in that area, and each of them doing good business. And I would say the entrepreneurial journey went through in the past in financial services. We went down, lied low, and did a few good quality corporate clients who inspired us, and then because of that we again got into this vada pav business. So the vada pav business started from Kalyan, Dombivli and Ulhasnagar. We had few challenges. I think that we can take it up later.
Yeah. So I was actually coming to that. So what are the kind of challenges that you faced after those initial 10-12 stores that we started? Scaling up that business to 75 outlets, right?
78.
78. So what challenges have you faced in that?
The first challenge was that initially when we started setting up, we didn't have a background of civil and other things. So suddenly you are tied, sitting in Taj over talking to corporate clients. And suddenly next day you are talking to a Kadiya, and all these days you are used to English as a language, 15 years. And suddenly you start talking Hindi, Marathi and local. The pav wala comes, and there is a huge gap between what the pav wala is talking to you. He's a Sulaiman bakery guy, with a chappal, and he says, Maile ka bhav badh gaya, and you are wondering where you are to. And you go to the Kothimir wala in the APMC market early morning, idhar tak kichad bhara hai, and you try and get Kothimir. So the whole family goes mad, kya ho gaya, The daughter looks at Appa used to go with a tie blazer to office. What is this? Nowadays you go, slipper pen ke office jate ho, and jeans pen ke jate ho, ganda t-shirt, and so life changes. So first challenge was trying to convince your. My sister came back from Dubai, and I never told it to my parents except my wife and child. My wife told her he's got into the vada pav business. He screamed in terms of, he's got into this crazy idea. That was the kind of thing. So family little bit was shocking. Second challenge was in terms of your own communication. My lingo was English. Suddenly I became Hindi and Marathi. Today I am finding it difficult to talk in English. Now it's more like Sulaiman bakery wala tapka dalega, that kind of language is gone. And these were the challenges. Suddenly you have a lot of people. Earlier it was MBAs with whom we used to talk, financial services, corporate clients. Suddenly you have 6th standard plus boys who scratch his head and stand next to you. So your communication channel has to go to that level to talk to you. But the biggest challenge was in terms of the food itself. Wastage was a big issue. Huge amount of wastages because food doesn't have a shelf life. Second was pilferage. आप एक गोली बना के देते हो. We used to make golis and give it to them. Small tray में golis बना के देते थे. So the moment we used to make golis and give it to them, 100 in a tray and send it to them, they used to make that single goli से 2 goli, put it in a basin and fry. So chori बहुत होता था. First was wastage, second was chori. Wastage was severe, like सवेरे बना हुआ गोली शाम तक खराब हो ही जाएगा. Third was no standardization.